Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Marie. So today I've got some nail mail and hold on, let me lower this a little. Nail mail and I'm gonna do a mani for 4th of July. So first, and this is for the past couple launches. I haven't gotten every set, but Scarlet Macaw, this beautiful red shimmer, right? Shimmer. I'm hoping there's no shadows so you can get a good look of it. Let me raise my light here a little. There we go. It's beautiful red and it's a shimmer. It kind of goes to a pinkish red. Gorgeous. Oh, Flocking Fabulous. I did get two, only two. This is a throwback and I have been wanting it. I actually did get a set and then I split it with my sister and I love it. In the spotlight, these might be, I think these are the anniversary sets. I did not get all of them, I don't think. In the spotlight, this is like a silver, blue. It's got holographic, I always have the hardest word with, or time with that word. Holographic glitter, is that it? It's a silver, or it's got a blue tint to it, kind of, to me. It's pretty. Great Maestro. I believe this is like a clear overlay with glitter. It kind of reminds me of Champagne Sugar, but with chunkier glitter. So pretty. Not a chunky glitter fan, but I just love this glitter. It's so pretty. Magical Melodies. Like a blue, I think it's kind of sheer with pink speckles. So pretty. Yeah, it's considered a glitter. So pretty. Grand Finale. I should have done that one last. Pretty. It kind of is like, reminds me of Tokyo Lights, but not a whole strip. It's not as much glitter, but it's just very similar. But it's a glitter dip. And then Fabulous, which is kind of similar. It's more sparse and chunky glitter. See that? And I believe these are all still available. Okay, and then I've got another set. This is Rio Glow. This beautiful, to me it's like a fuchsia. It's pretty. I can't get the real, I like to hold it close so you can get a good look, but it seems like it's clear. Then we've got Prickly Pear, which is like a lime green. It's a shimmer, I believe. Yes, shimmer. And no, I'm not a stylist, but I'm still crazy about Color Street. July Blues. I did get several of this one. This, I believe, is sheer. This is in the 4th of July collection. So pretty. So pretty. Night Swim. This kind of turns, has a shift. Do you see that? To green. You can kind of see it. Very pretty. Then we've got Sparkling Pride for June Pride. I believe it's a clear overlay with those, all that glitter. Pretty awesome. Curtain Call. Oh, this might have been part of the I'm not sure, part of the anniversary. They're kind of mixed up. So pretty. Sweet Symphony. Oh, I think these are... I love this one. The pink and then the glitters. I think it's really pretty. Plus, I just love pink. Water Signs. Is this one? No, maybe not. I was thinking this was last month's host special, but maybe not. It's a beautiful blue. Bungalow Babe. Of course, I love this. I got several of this pink shimmer. Shimmer, right? Yes. If you're wondering, I've done it before, but when you look at it, this S right here means shimmer. And then this is the year it was made. So 2024. And it was on the 80th day of 2024. Then we've got Moon Phase. It's like a purplish, lavenderish, darker than that. It could come off as gray with glitter. But you see, this one has a G for glitter. 2024, 113th day. Dark Nebula. This reminds me of, and I can't remember the name, a gray, but it kind of looks like it has a blue to it. Glitter. 2024, 88th day. Okay, this must be the June host shimmer. 2024, 87th day. Blew me away. Yes, this is the June. Okay, so that's it for the nail mail, and I'm gonna do my mani for 4th of July or Independence Day. I'm so excited to use this one. Light Show. So pretty. And then I saw in a Color Street group, someone put glow in the dark under it, so I'm going to use Glow Getter. It's from a subscription box. I'll have to maybe stretch one of those. And this. So let's get into it. So excited to wear this for 4th of July. I'm just going to pull this off. Do that later. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. So pretty. Okay, let me move this out just a little. Okay. But I need to put this on first. And sorry, I didn't open these first because I was doing the nail mail. And I didn't want them to dry out. So, let's open this. I don't think I'll have I'll probably have those little tiny pinkies left over from it. Oh my gosh. I am the biggest ding dong. I didn't take my Clio color off. I got so excited for the nail mail and to do this mani. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me do this. I can't believe I just did that. I might just edit all of that out. Okay, I will be right back.